Today in this lesson I'll be telling you about another teaching style which is the most common teachers use in the classroom, and it has been enforced by the educators a year ago or 2 years ago that a teacher has to focus on the project-based learning that gives or an inquiry based learning, and it's an individual or in a group, okay, that they have to come up with a solution. Okay, so in this lesson I'll be telling you about what is the project based learning and how you're gonna use in the classroom. Okay, the historical background you can take it. Okay, listen, before going to the lesson, if you didn't subscribe this channel yet, for more videos, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So let's see what is the project-based learning, PBL. This image has been taken as a reference, okay, which is Colorado Universities, okay, that the students has done the project, okay. So you can see here that the project, okay, they are displaying, okay. So it is a group project, okay. Now, what is project-based learning, PBL? Project-based learning is when teacher sets a task and then students work independently of the teacher to solve a problem. So it cannot be independently, it can be in a group, okay, or respond to questions over a time period. It is a type of inquiry-based learning with students working independently or in small groups. Okay. This project-based learning we use as a summative assessment as well as in a formative assessment. So when teacher assign a certain time period, okay, that you are going to module, you are going to poster, you are going to create, okay, something within a 1 week, within a 2 week or 3 week, okay, with a certain instructions, okay. These instruction has been defined by a teacher that what component he or she has to cover in this project. This is the first point, okay. Secondly, the information a student has to demonstrate, okay. They have to give a clear picture and clarification what component they have to cover it, okay. Third point, okay. Well, how they prepared, okay. What are the sources, okay, they have used, okay. Number fourth point, the information they have collected, okay, from where they have to, they have to put these references, okay. Then second or fifth point, okay, is this a hypothesis if it is related to the science, or it is a theory, or it was, so the concept should be based on the theory, and then that the theory should be converted into the project module or something in the creator, okay. Now how much it is realistic, how much it is that the facts and ideas that the students going to be explained in the PBL, that really matters, okay. So this are teaching styles which encourage or ensures the students are learning within a certain time period, and teacher guided them, instructed them what exactly and how to do that, okay. And this is skill which is a very good skill, okay, especially in the middle and high school, secondary level, even in the early, okay, that you are enforcing students with the come up with the solution, and you are encouraging students there that they have to be creative, okay. So the PBL is very good the teaching strategy. Even I love that, okay, to assigning a project different when the students come up with the wonderful ideas, and it's amazing, okay. So try to apply PBL teaching learning, project based learning in your classroom, and I'm sure you'll be finding very amazing project, okay, within a time period. The students are very creative, okay, and you have to provide them opportunity and let them to explain and then come up with the solution, and let them to demonstrate what they have done it, okay. So this is project based learning, okay, teaching style, and we'll be meeting in the next teaching style in the next tutorial video, okay. I'll again say, if you didn't subscribe this channel teaching and learning yet, Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. If you have any suggestions regarding that, okay, you want to input or anything, don't forget. Okay, I'll be thankful for that. Okay, we'll be meeting in the next. Okay, till that, bye. Have a good day. Thank you.